Xiaomi presents Redmi K20 Pro, which comes with 6.39-inch AMO LED capacitive touchscreen with 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution and 403 ppi pixel density. This smartphone comes in four color variants: carbon black, glacier blue, flame red and pearl white. This new age mobile phone comes with 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage. Redmi K20 Pro has dual SIM, both 4G with dual standby. The 6.3-inch capacitive touchscreen of Redmi K20 Pro features an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now, unlock your phone the faster, smarter and more secure way. Redmi K20 Pro has 48 plus 13 plus 8 MP rear camera, which lets you capture the whole scene. The 20 MP pop-up front camera lets you take elegant panoramic selfies. This smartphone runs on Android version 9 Pie operating system with 2.84 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core processor. The phone is powered by 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery. Aux includes handset, adapter, USB cable, warranty card, user guide, SIM insertion tool, back cover. Redmi K20 Pro comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty on phone and 6 months warranty for in-box accessories. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.